guys, today we are reviewing this Conan set. Yeah, we're gonna show ya, and yeah, later we're gonna do like a fashion show. Like we're gonna show the Conan, and don't forget, you guys, you're gonna catch the Conan when I get the accessories. It's really difficult to wear sets, but the second part, I'm gonna. Yeah, that is the whole. That is the Conan. We're gonna. Yeah, it's really easy to reset, and yeah, do something really quick. First, what you do is put the Conan there, and then press the hit. Now he's gonna kick the buckets out, then stop right there. Go back. It's not a problem. He go back. Then he do that. See? Easy, just press. And he gonna go there. And then he gonna spin. And then he's gonna spin that thing. And then go there. Yep. And yeah. And now stop it. Yeah. And another. Nani. Yeah. And the features are you're gonna don't get away. Okay. Bunny, get out. Because I need to take out the bunny later. Here we have a sticker. Yeah. With this focus. Yeah. And it's really easy to reset the thing. But then like he goes that and then just put that in easy. Jeez, I got this one for the cat. And yeah. And yeah. Yeah. Now you guys don't mind, okay? Because don't forget, and you want to say like strap, and that we close this, and he has an opening. Don't let that open, or the gun is gonna escape. Now it's really easy. They have like platforms that you can easily take out. You're gonna get a Conan. Come. Stop. Here's the Conan. And yeah, that's our. He's really cutty. I wish you guys could just. Yeah, back is this like every other animal. And pressing this, the back can make it. And pressing again, he can make. And he can stop, and he just pressing it. Press the nose, he makes noises, and yeah. The Conan. Conan, you can go right to that. Guys, who doesn't care about animals? Yannick, you know how to care about animals. Me. Daisy, nope. Okay, it's all up to us. She's getting the things for sure. Then go in. And they can hack out because he's really dangerous. Come on, dangerous! Try to ruin it was. He's coming! Hey, it's right. He's fluffy. Fluffy. We're gonna call. Hello, we're gonna call you now Fluffy Hooves. We don't even have powder in it. Oh, and but he's fluffy. Then Fluffy. We'll call her Fluffy. I don't think. Okay, I hate you, and you hate me, and I hate you. Don't make that stupid noise. He's here. Ah! Stop, little one. Stop. Stop. Why can't I stop watching? I don't believe him. But he's adorable. I bring one accessory. Let me just take out the forever taking out this accessory. Sorry. Guys, don't know how difficult taking out this accessory. I need to use it. Okay, just take this off. Wait, that's a dog bed. Done. And we're gonna have a competition. Yeah. And you're gonna have 3 choices how he looks so cute. Okay. First time we need to show the accessories. First, he had this. First, let me show you some accessories. They are the most important. This is what I need accessory. Okay. Where's the freaking carrot? No. Where's the carrot? Where's the freaking carrot? When you eat the carrot? Okay, it comes with this, and they have. Where did the freaking carrot go? Carrot. They have this, and they have a carrot in here. If we can find it, I think I like in the corner. Oh yeah, it's in the corner. These are the accessories. They have this carrot. This multiple. You can't play. I think you. Duck bunny. Charge me. This hot and a vest and this shoe. Yeah. And all these accessories can put on this neck. Like you can put like. Here we have a hot, and then you can put like the hot, and then they are gonna turn everything around. Then just another snap, and then bam. Same now the carrot. Bam, the carrot's dead. Like this, then this. This one. Then in the jewel. Then they come to 2 accessories you can put in the heart, the bloom and the bow. You can put like in the corner and here. And then they come with shampoo. And they have a cut. Freaking focus. Yep, it's already here. And they have the shampoo. Gloves. You can put like in the back. Yeah. They are all the accessories and this braille. You can put coffee. First side.